Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, oldie but goodie, welcome back. So as you can see from the title, this is an update to my rice water video. The initial one that I did when I showed you guys for the first time how it was for me to use rice water. Well, here's an update. And I'm gonna use it again because I liked it so much and I got such great results that I'm gonna get ready to show it to you guys now. So stay tuned. So in case you're wondering, just to kind of give you an update on my hair state now, because I am about to wash it. It is wash day before I apply the wash water. Rice water, this is how I woke up this morning. So I have my protective satin lined cap here, and then I've got my plastic cap here. Yes, I did sleep in this to help retain the moisture, so I did give myself a deep conditioning, an intense conditioning rather, with my aloe vera gel. So if you haven't already seen that video, please go check it out. I'll link it right above. That stuff, I cannot explain it or emphasize it enough. Aloe vera gel
had me shook. I mean, like,
that stuff is the bomb. It is like liquid gold to your hair. I kid you not. My stuff was like in a dry, terrible state, and I put
that stuff in my hair. Of course, I added my essential oils, which you can see all of that in my video, and my stuff was just transformed. So as you can see, I just have my hair sectioned off in 4 parts here. So I'm gonna wash my hair like this because it's just gonna make it a lot easier for me, you know, as I'm washing from one section to section, because I have very thick hair. And when I wash everything together, you know, it makes it more likely to get tangled and all stuff.
We ain't having that. So, your girl's gonna work in sections. So, let's get into it, shall we?
All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out of my hair, that aloe vera treatment gel that I told you guys I had. And then all I'm gonna do is just wash with this shampoo, Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And then I've got my own do-it-yourself leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna add to my hair. But actually, I'm not gonna do this until I do the rice water. So I'm first gonna shampoo my hair, and then I'm gonna do the rice water. When I rinse that out, I'm gonna add my leave-in conditioner DIY. If you guys are interested in seeing how I make that video, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I am back in my bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and I got my rice water here. If you guys haven't already checked out my video about overnight rice water, how to do and how I used that initially, please go ahead and check that video out. It should be linked above here somewhere, floating over my head. So this is my rice water here, which I had made a fresh new batch sitting out overnight. So as you can see, I just finished washing my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this front section here. And my hair is still damp. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this rice water in my hair, this first section here. And you really wanna focus on massaging this in the scalp. So I don't think I really emphasized this before, but wait, what makes my channel so unique and different from others is that I like to incorporate what's called evidence-based research into my stuff, meaning I done researched the remedies. I'm not just talking out of my own 2 cents or my own bias, but it's actually stuff that I've researched and looked at the reviews and looked at, you know, the articles to show that, wow, this stuff really does work. Water is one of those things that I've researched, although more research still needs to be done. But just from the research that is presented, it is shown that rice water has a lot of essential nutrients and minerals in it that your hair needs, like B vitamins, which are good to help strengthen the hair, protein, which acts as a great strengthener for hair to keep it nice and strong. That's why rice water is just so effective in maintaining hair and growth, because it keeps the hair strands stronger, so it's more resistant to breakage. A lot of the reasons why people don't usually see that hair growth is because their hair is breaking off, because typically hair grows about 1/2 inch a month. So if you look at the whole year, that's 6 inches a year your hair tends to grow. So some people may say, well, I don't see that 6 inches. Where? I never see that in my hair. Well, 9 times out of 10, their hair is probably breaking off. So if your hair is breaking, you're not gonna retain the growth enough to see it. So that is the whole concept with the use of the rice water, because like I said, it has proteins and other nutrients in there to help strengthen the hair strand to make it more resistant to breaking. So the key thing here is to massage that rice water into your scalp. You really want to work those nutrients into the scalp, and research also shows that scalp massages at least twice a day during the week for 5 minutes minimum. Research has shown that this aids in hair growth. I'm gonna let this rice water stay in my hair for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner, cream, and oil. Okay, so you guys stay tuned. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my rice water. Just gonna remove my plastic cap here. I've had this rice water in my hair for about half an hour. Just to do a real quick length check. So I don't know if you can really see it. My hair, it goes to about there. Before, when I did this length check, it was about collarbone. Which for me, my collarbone is like right over here. So it grew a little bit past the collarbone now. So,
Could it be the rice water that helped with this growth? I think so. You guys, this rice water is the real deal, I'm telling y'all. Real deal.
So this is the final product. After I've done my rice water treatment, my leave-in conditioner, my cream, my oil, washed it, and even prior to that, I deep conditioned it with an overnight aloe vera gel treatment. So this is the final product, and I must say my hair feels so moisturized. It's so soft,
So manageable, and I could just run my fingers through it without any problems. And now that is what healthy hair looks like.
Thanks you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.